Hey guys, it's Jasmine
and Janaya.
and today it's a very special day. It's our 1-year anniversary for V4th Power.
Yay! And I'm going to be her assistant.
So we're going to be baking a vanilla cake from scratch, and I had to make this video for you guys because I love to bake. So let's get started. What I like to do is add in all the liquids and then add it to the dry stuff. So I'm going to be adding 4 large eggs, not legs, into the bowl. Now that that's done, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to be adding 1/4 cup of milk. Now we're going to be adding in some oil. Hold this please. And I'm going to be adding 3/4 cups of oil. Now it's time to mix. I'm going to start it off on low. Okay, that's good enough. Now for the dry stuff. I like adding in Jello pudding because it makes it nice and moist. I'm going to be adding in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I know, weird for vanilla cake salt, but now I'm going to be adding in 3 cups of flour. This is the first cup. And there we go. Now I'm going to be adding in a tablespoon of baking powder. And one of my personal favorite parts, sugar. I'm going to be using 2 cups of sugar. I'm going to see if this is a faster way of doing it. There's 1 and there's 2. You guys obviously know what the sugar does. It makes it taste really good. But just to let you know, the baking powder helps the cake to rise.
Guess what? It's also science.
Now I'm going to make sure all the ingredients are evenly spread out through the whole cake, so we're going to be mixing it. And just to let you know, we're going to be making a 2-layered vanilla cake from scratch. Okay, now we're going to be adding in the white ingredients. And we're going to be mixing it with the mixer first. Make sure, if you're going to try this, make sure to keep it at the bottom and to start off low so that everything doesn't go everywhere. Now we're going to split this evenly into 2 pans. So, better to be safe than sorry. So I'm going to be adding in some vegetable oil to help it not stick. And then I'm also going to be adding some flour. And then we're going to be going like in a wheel motion. Now this is the kind of tricky part because we're going to have to put it halfway. It might be messy, but the reason we're putting it halfway is because of the baking powder. It's going to rise. Okay, so pan number 1. Pan number 2. Now I'm just going to smooth it out. Now we're going to be baking these lovely vanilla cakes for 50 to 55 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to be baking these like you already know, but we're going to be back once it's all cooled down after it's finished baking. Now the cakes are done baking and my dad's going to be cutting off the tops to make them leveled because it's going to be a 2-layered cake, so one's going to be on top of the other. So we need to level out one of them, but we're also going to be leveling out the other one for decoration purposes. Now we're going to frost the top of this cake to put the other cake on. Now to add this layer. This part is very scary. Yes, did it. Now I'm gonna frost this layer. Now I'm just adding some frosting on the sides of the cake and then I'm gonna smooth it out. Now it's time to decorate it. I'm gonna put these on the edge. Now to add one candle. Now for more decoration.
So now we're gonna invite our brothers in.
Come
on.
3,
2, 1. Yay!
Jane's gonna cut the cake.
Right from the center. I can smell it. Yummy. It looks so good.
This is how it looks like.
My turn.
time for Jaden. That tastes really good.
Thank you for everybody that subscribed to our channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.